Hello everyone, this is lesson number 2 of chapter number 1. Today we will convert the ternary numbers to the binary. This involves two methods. Method 1 is placing ones in an appropriate position. As you are seeing this, these are the binary base 2, binary numbers which have the base 2, and the small digits which are written in a blue ink represent the index number. So starting from the right, 2 raised to the power 0, 0 index value has the 2 raised to the power 0 equals 1, 2 raised to the power 1 equals 2, 2 raised to the power equals 4, and so on. So by taking an example which is also given in your book of Cambridge Computer Science, ternary number is 107. So we will convert 107 into binary number. Method number 1 is placing ones in the appropriate position. So we have 1 to 8 at the 7th position, 64 at the 6th, 32 at the 5th, 16 at the 4th, 8 at the 3rd, 4 at the 2nd, 2 at the 1st, and 1 at the index number 0. Now we have to convert the value of 107. Now we have to make the bits that bits on from which of their combination would make 107. So if we take the bit 121 on, it will be more than 107. So we are going to take 64, this will be 1. When we will add 64, second one would be 32, 64 plus 32 would be 96. So we have to take more bits on. Now it would be 8. By adding 96 to 8, it would be 104. After that, if we add take this bit on, it would be 104 plus 4, it would be more than 107. So we have to make total combination of 3. That would be 1, and that would be 2 and 1. So by adding 3, it would be 107. While these bits will be on, the remaining bits we will make it 0 off, which means off. So the binary conversion of 107 would be 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. This would be equivalent to 107. Now the second method is successive division by 2. Successive division by 2. we will take the same denary number, that is 107. We will divide it by 2 until the remainder is 0. So 107 divided by 2, it would be 5 3, and the r which represents to the remainder, it will be 1. Again divided by 2, it will be 2 6. So again remainder will be 1. Divided by 2, it would be 13. Remainder will be 0. 2, it will be 6. Remainder will be 1. Again divided by 2, it will be 6. It will be 3. 2 3 6. Remainder will be 0. Divided by 2 will be 1. Remainder will be 1. So 2, then it will be 0. So remainder will be 1. So we will start it from here. And this we can say it is bottom to top approach. So take it from the bottom, that would be 0, 1, this 1, this 0, 1, 0, 1 and 1. So the combination of these binary numbers would make the denary number which is equivalent to 107. So for your own practice, do solve the denary number. You have to convert denary number to binary. Take this as a practice. First part would be 41, second would be 67, and third 86.